No, I have to get the egg. Oh, Templeton. No, why would I do that? You never done anything for me. Please, please, don't leave me again. Please. I'm ready to eat all my food first. Done. Templeton goes up and gets the egg sack. Hurry, hurry! Thank you for everything that you take. Wilbur and Templeton go inside the crate. Wilbur stays in the shower in the car. Wilbur spits out the sack. Time goes by and Wilbur feels his first smell. In the spring, the sack starts to let out little Spider-Man. Hey, are you Spider-Man Star's baby? Please. Hey, you will stay here. We like it here. Really? Yeah. Thank you. What are your names? What are you feeling? Joy. So my name is Joy. What is my mom's initial? A. So my name is Amanda. Hey, what's my name? Please don't make it too long, too fancy, or too dumb. Amelia. Yay, thank you.